All right, so I feel like vibe coding Snake tonight because I'm feeling some retro vibes. So let's do that. So we're gonna call up Claude. So I'm just in cursor right now. I don't know why it's just become my IDE of choice for whatever reason, even though it's just a fork of VS Code. But let's wake up Claude. Yes, proceed. All right. So let's get Claude going. And I'm always nice to Claude because in case there is a awakening of AI, which who knows, there won't be. I like to be on their good side. Hey Claude, I want to recreate the retro game Snake for browser. Let's plan this out and then get this going. Talk me through it. Be thorough. Do not over engineer. Let's see what it's got for us. Booping. I'll help you create a classic Snake game for the browser. Let me break down the plan and then we'll build it step by step. All right. Let's see what it has. Let's see. Let's pull this up. The plan. Here's how we'll build a classic Snake game. HTML canvas, that makes sense. Game state, snake positions, array of segments, food position, direction, score. Game loop runs at 10 FPS for that retro feel, controls, rules, eat food to grow, sweet, technical approach, single HTML file with embedded CSS and JavaScript, canvas, 2D context rendering, grid-based. It's already running. Sweet. All right. Let's see what it has. Do you want me to create the index? Let's do it. Yes. This will be incredibly interesting. All right. So we can just open this bad boy up, really. Let's see what happens. Open Sesame. Hey, okay, so basically upon loading, it starts too quick. So let's fix that. Hey Claude, when we started up the game, nope, when we loaded the browser, the game started immediately, so we lost. We should implement a button to start. Also, the speed seemed a bit quick. Let's have 3 levels. Nice. Let's see, it's going to add a start button, implement 3 difficulty levels with different speeds, add UI for difficulty selection. Nice. Let's see what happens. And I vibe code a lot of things. I vibe coded like full Apple apps, things like that. I just was feeling retro tonight. Let's see. It's crazy how long it takes to write simple HTML. While it's loading, let's try this. Game over. Press space to restart. Oop. Oh, it's just like it. Oh, it does move the oh. It moves the browser. Though we need to fix that too. Ooh, look how good I am at Snake. Do you remember those old Nokia phones? Shit was awesome. Okay, all right. Do you want to make the 8 edits? Yes. Also, when you use the arrow keys, the entire screen scrolls. This should not be able to scroll at all. Let's fix that. Let's see. Phew. What the hell, man? Oh, Claude is running slow. Did you? Let's see. Control Z. Let's wake Claude back up. Claude was running slow. Hey Claude, we built retro snake in the index.html file you see here. We had a few issues that we needed to fix. Let's copy and paste. Copy, paste. Sometimes Claude just gets hung up like that for absolutely no reason at all. And this will have a README file and it'll be up on my GitHub. So you guys can pull it down if you really truly feel like it. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Yes, fix that. Also, also the browser window scrolls when you use the arrow keys. This window should stay locked in place. Let's see. Let's make this happen. Yes. Load it up. Yes. A start button. Restart. Yes. Aha, look at that. All right, press start to play. What? Oh, it's because I hit the space button. Up. Look at that. And it does not move any of the, it doesn't scroll. All right, so let's try on hard. Oh. Nice. Is it getting longer? It is. Sweet. Look at that. All right. Anyway, I will upload this to my GitHub. So if you guys want to pull it down, follow for more, because I'll just be vibe coding some random stuff. And who knows? We will chat soon.